this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can convert your physical SIM to eSIM and move to your iPhone 17 Pro Max where there is no SIM tray. This has only eSIM. In this case, we're gonna need an older version of iPhone which has a SIM tray. So in this case, I'm using iPhone 14 Plus, which has a SIM tray here, you see. And we need a SIM inject tool. You have to press this one. As old days, we have to take out and we have to put our SIM. First thing first. Here we go. Put this one. Type this one. This is done. Hit the power button. So the phone is starting. Meanwhile it's starting, we go to our latest version of iPhone. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other version. And you have to have iOS 26. If you don't have iOS 26, it may not gonna work. So check this one. You have to go inside the setting. In setting, you have to come to this option. It's called cellular. In cellular, I have some eSIM already, but I'm gonna hit add a new eSIM. After adding, it will take some time to load, but check one thing, the Bluetooth should be on. It's fine. Now we'll go here, this one, everything is fine. We have to check the Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth is on in this same. We have to put them closer. And here in iPhone new version, you say transfer from nearby iPhone. Click this one. As you see here, transfer phone number. So this SIM from here, it will go to another one. Hit continue button. It will send you a code. You have to put in other 174. Is done. Continue to other phone. Let's see. In this case, my carrier is Simyo, that is contact carrier to set up your eSIM. So Simyo is Spain, doesn't allow me. So in this case, you have to follow this tutorial. This is the way you can transfer any eSIM if your carriers allow. So this is the way you can transfer eSIM from your one iPhone to another iPhone. Very easy and simple, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.